Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out in Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is a powerful and customizable code editor. So whether you need a larger text for presentation or screen recording or just personal preference, here's how you could easily zoom in and zoom out in VS Code and adjust the font size of it. So for you to be able to go ahead and adjust or zoom in and zoom out the entire window for this, you'll have to go ahead and head onto the command palette. So you could use your shortcut key onto your keyboard, which is Control-Shift-P. So this should open here onto the upper part, and you'll just have to go ahead and type in here Preferences and choose in the Open Settings, which is this one. So simply click onto that, and here onto the search bar, we'll have to go ahead and type in here Window Zoom. So you should be able to see in here the zoom level. So the default one is 0, and if you want to go ahead and make this bigger, you'll just have to go ahead and adjust this. So each increment above 0, example 1 or below -1 represents the zooming. So 20% larger or smaller. You could also enter the decimals to adjust zoom level with a finer granularity. So feel free to adjust this as per liking, like for example, 10, or let's try 8. And then let's also try to go ahead and bring it back to 0. Or if negative. And as you can see, that is how easy you could adjust the entire screen for that. And if you want to go ahead and just change the font size of the editor, so you'll just have to go ahead and search here onto the settings, font size. So we have that one here. So as you can see, the current font size that we have is 14. Let's try to change this to 20. Let's try to see what it looks like. So right after we've gone ahead and saved that, let's try to head back onto our editor, and as you can see, the fonts are bigger. So if you want to go ahead and have it back, just put back the size again, or you could lower it again. And the settings just applies to the code editor and not the UI. And that is just basically it. How you zoom in and zoom out in Visual Studio Code, also increase the font size in here. If you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.